Good morning class. Today we will be talking about how to convert a fractions into decimals. Okay. Fractions means a number which is having a numerator and denominator. And what is decimal? A number which is having a decimal point. Okay. Now there are some cases like we have to see first what is the case when the numerator is greater than denominator. Okay. First you check whether the fraction in the fraction numerator is greater than denominator or numerator is smaller than denominator. Like I am taking an example here, 168 by 10. Now we can see numerator is greater than denominator. In that case, what we have to do? We have to count number of zeros in the denominator. How many zeros are there in the denominator here? Here is 1 zero. So what we will do class? We will count from the right hand side one digit. We will place the point before the one digit from the right hand side. It means that before 8. Now if we talk about 184 by 100. Now also the numerator is greater than the denominator. So we will see how many zeros are there in the denominator. There are 2 zeros in the denominator. So we will count 2 places from the right hand side. We will count 2 places or 2 digits from the right hand side, and then we will put a decimal point before 2 digits. Like if we take an example, 1742 divided by 1000. In this case also numerator is greater than the denominator. So how many zeros are there in the denominator? There are 3 zeros. So we will count 3 digits from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3. And we will be putting a decimal point before 3 digits. Now we will see the case when the numerator is smaller than denominator. In that case, what we have to do? Like for example, a numerator is 7 and the denominator is 10. In this case, bachcho, we will make the same number of digits in the numerator and denominator. Okay. Check for the number of digits in the denominator. How many digits are there in the denominator? There are 2 digits in the denominator. And how many digits in the numerator? There is only 1 digit in the numerator. So we will be putting 0 before 7 to make it equal to number of digits in the 10. Now there are 2 digits in the numerator and 2 digits in the denominator. Now for converting it into decimal, what we will do? We will be writing 7 as it is. Then we will be placing a decimal point before 1 digit from the right hand side. Why we are placing this? Because there is 1 zero in the denominator. For an example, if I take 6 by 100. Now in the 6 by 100 we have to see number of digits in the denominator are 3 and number of digits in our numerator is only 1. So we will make the same number of digits in the numerator by placing 2 zeros before 6. Okay. Now numerator and denominator is having same number of digits, that is 3 number of digits. Now we will see how many zeros are there in the denominator. There are 2 zeros. So we will put a decimal point before 2 digits 1, 2 from the right hand side. So we will be putting a decimal point and we are getting a decimal form of the given fraction. Now another example I am taking here, like 32 by 1000. In this case, बच्चों, you can see how many digits are there in the denominator. There are 4 digits in the denominator and numerator is having only 2 digits. So we will make the same number of digits in the numerator and denominator. So for that I have to place how many zeros? 2 zeros before 32 and the denominator will be 1000. Now same number of digits are there in the numerator and denominator. Now what is our next step? Next step is counting number of zeros in the denominator. How many zeros are there in the denominator? There are 3 zeros in the denominator. So we will be placing a decimal point before 3 digits. From the right hand side means we will count 1, 2, 3 digits from the right hand side and then placing a decimal point before 3 digits.